Hi everyone, I am Negusi Riktu with Real Brokerage. Today I'm in Southwest Las Vegas near Southern Highland to share about my brand new listing with you. This beautiful home features about 1800 square feet of living space, 4 spacious bedrooms, tons of upgrades, and it was just built in 2024. Let's go take a look. Hey, I hope you enjoyed the preview. So if anyone has questions about this listing or any homes in the area, please feel free to reach out to me. My number is 702-824-0283. Thank you so much and have a great day.